Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Timer Plus workout timer app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Timer Plus is a workout timer app designed to help users track intervals, manage custom workouts, and stay consistent during training sessions. The app supports HIIT, Tabata, circuit training, AMRAP sessions, and simple countdown timers. It's available on both iOS and Android and is used by athletes, gym-goers, runners, and home workout users who need a clean, reliable timing tool. The app's main feature is its customizable interval builder. You can create sets, rest periods, rounds, and warm-ups according to your routine. Timer Plus also allows multiple timers to be saved, features a clear big screen display, and works in the background so you can use music or other fitness apps while training. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple interface, loud alerts, and the ability to run long sessions without interruptions. The big on-screen numbers and color-coded intervals make it easy to follow even during intense workouts. Users also like that it doesn't require an account and starts working immediately after setup. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version includes ads, and some advanced timer layouts may require upgrading. A few users mention occasional issues with background audio or notifications depending on the device. The app also focuses mainly on timers, so it doesn't include workout plans or training guidance. In summary, the Timer Plus app may be worth using if you want a clean, reliable, fully customizable workout timer that works well for HIIT, interval training, or gym sessions. However, if you need guided workouts or advanced tracking, it might not offer everything you're looking for. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.